In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow announcements on Discord. First, open Discord on your desktop app, mobile app, or in a web browser. Make sure you're signed in to the account you use regularly so your follow settings carry over wherever you use Discord. Give the app a moment to load your servers on the left sidebar. Next, pick the server whose updates you want to keep up with. Click the server icon to enter it. If you're in a lot of communities, hover over the icons to see their names and consider pinning your most used servers to the top so they're easier to find later. Inside the server, look for the announcements channel. These channels are special news-style channels and often have a megaphone icon. Many communities name them announcements, news, or updates. If you can't find it right away, check the channel categories or use the server's search bar to look for announcements. You do need to have access to the channel to follow it, so if it's hidden, a server moderator may need to grant you the correct role. Open the announcements channel, then find the follow button near the top of the channel header. On desktop, it appears along the upper bar. On mobile, it may sit in the top right menu. Click follow. Discord will prompt you to choose where you want those announcements to be delivered. Select a server you manage and then pick the destination text channel in that server where the posts should appear automatically. This creates a live feed of that channel's updates, so every time the original server publishes a new announcement, it will be reposted into your chosen channel. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. You'll need the right permissions in the destination server, typically the ability to manage webhooks to set up the follow. If you don't see the option to select a destination channel, ask a server admin to help. Keep in mind, following is different from turning on notifications. Following copies posts into another channel. If you also want pings on your device, click the notification bell in the announcements channel to set your alert preferences. And if the follow button isn't visible, double check that you're actually in an announcements type channel, not a regular text channel. Once you've confirmed the follow, you're done. From now on, new announcements will appear automatically in your chosen channel, keeping your community or team in the loop without manual copying. Thanks for watching and enjoy staying up to date on Discord.